All right, so I got a few gaskets for the transmission replacement. This is a national part number. Oh, sorry. Hang on. This is a 710582 and it's made in Taiwan. This is one of the axles, shaft, what do you call it, seal. And I just went and verified this is the correct size. I also got this one, which is about the same size on here as this one, but this one is supposed to be the shaft seal or the inside seal. This is a Bic only, and as you can see, that's the number, and it is made in Japan. So that is correct. But then we have this one here, which as you can see, it's not the same size as this one. So we'll check it. And this one has number 711021. And as you'll see from Rock Auto, they do have it. 021 has the output shaft seal, right, with ASIN TF 60SN transmission, which is the same as the bottom. So the number is correct, but the part is not the correct one. So somebody made a mistake there because they are both the same size as this one. So I have to send it back and look for that one. And I'm gonna have to. I think I order. No, I did order. I think I might have another one that's similar to this one, but it was supposed to be for the shaft, the inner, the middle, or the inside. I'll have to look it up. But as you can see, that is incorrect. So every now and then, when you buy parts, you have to check them. And it's been raining, so I'm not changing anything because it's been cold as well, and I can't do anything yet. But I ordered the seals because I want to change all those seals since it's already out. Might as well put new seals on that replacement transmission. Now, if you want to know what happened and why I'm getting the transmission replaced, you can look at the video where I talk about it, where I got stuck on the freeway. You'll know why. I went and finally decided to get the other transmission. Actually, I was on my way to get the transmission when it happened. So, just want to cover these parts. I got a few more parts. So, here is the ASIN thermostat. This is part number. Okay, a second here. Let's see. So that is stock number 3662, part THC04. As you can see, it's made in Taiwan as well. This is actually for the Mazda Miata, not the Miata, excuse me, the Mazda 3. And if I can get it out, I'll show you what that looks like. So this is what this thermostat looks like. Um, I just want to change it because it's not, the heat is not as strong as I think it should be. Should be a lot hotter. I don't have any codes or anything, but since I did change other stuff on it, I might as well get this one changed eventually. Um, just as a main preventative maintenance because again, the heat seems to, it does work, but it's just not as hot as I think it would or should be, or what you normally get in the other cars. And finally, I got more Moog tie rod ends for the Rabbit. And this is part number ES8666. As you can see, it's also made in the USA. This is one side. Let me see the other side just to double check. The other side is, yep, ES8667. And again, this is made in the USA. So the parts are getting closer from where you get them. And then we have our castle nut, our grease fitting, and then your cotter pin there. So let's see what this one looks like. And there you go. Does they have the threads in here? I'm not sure. The other ones I got didn't, but kind of looks like it doesn't. So I don't know. I might have to do that. It's hard to see. There's some grease on there, so I won't know until I go ahead and put that on. But this is what it looks like. I noticed they're all on that card too, so I got those so I can eventually get it done. But that's it for now. Just wanted to show you, especially the parts that you need. The axles are not different sizes. Even the holes are maybe about the same, but these are not the correct part. This one here, they're actually this size. Another thing I was looking for is inside, not inside of this, but inside of the shaft where you put the shaft in. There's actually an O-ring that goes in there, but I couldn't find it from them, so I'm gonna have to source the O-ring as well because there is an O-ring there. I did see that in one of the videos I've been watching for the transmission rebuild, and I went and looked at it, and they do have an O-ring as well, but it doesn't, you can't find it anywhere on the site. So just a heads up on that, but I hope this helps.